Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. Hostinger Black Friday sale is live now. You can see that biggest ever Black Friday sale. So almost they are giving 79% discount on their hosting. But this is not the end. We can see even more discount. So how exactly we can get the Hostinger Black Friday deal? That is what I'm going to show in this video. So for that, first of all, what you have to do, just check the link mentioned in the description. Click on this link and then you will land it on this Hostinger official website. And after that, you have to click on this claim the deal. And here are the three plans. You can see that the maximum discount is available on the premium hosting plan. So according to me, this is enough for a beginner because 100 website capacity is there. So we'll simply click choose plan. So here you can see that 48-month plan will cost you only $119.52. Now here there is an option called have a coupon code. So just type Black Friday and click on apply. And you can see that even more discount applied on this Hostinger Black Friday sale. Okay, so make sure to check the link in the description and get the maximum discount on Hostinger Black Friday sale.